everybody, and today I'd like to tell you about a little history of the world. Chapter 8, An Unequal Struggle. In this chapter we'll be talking about Persians. So we'll be talking about the journey that Persians were in. So at first they were slaves, but then a person called Cyrus overthrew, and they battled the people who asked them to be slaves. Not asked, just forced them to be slaves, and they won. But that wasn't the end of their journey, because he was quite ambitious. So they went to different countries. So they went to Egypt and different ones. So he first went to, I can't remember actually. Yeah, but they went to lots of places. But Cyrus on the way to Egypt sadly died. So his son, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like Cambeus. I can't pronounce it. And different countries. So yeah, and let's just call him his son. And his son actually succeeded into conquering Egypt, but he didn't stop there. He was very ambitious, like his father, and he was about to go to Greece until he he went there. I think the Greece's won, and his son, Cyrus's son, hates Athenians. So every time he would ask a slave to go outside and yell 3 times, he would curse the Athenians, and it's really that shows how deep his loathing for Athenians is. And also, do you know? So the Persians lost at the end. So yeah, but it made an end to the Great Reign. Otherwise, the Persians would be ruling the whole continent now. And for example, there was do you know how the marathon race was invented? I don't think you do. Well, actually, it's because there's a messenger. So the leader of the Athenians asked. They went and they told a messenger to run to alert the other Greece people. So then, and the messenger ran as fast as he could, and this is because. And this is why it's called the marathon, but after the messenger, because the only thing that he could do after he delivered the message was drop down dead. So because I think he was short of breath. But then after that, they fought a war against the Persians, and at the end, Persians lost the war. So they weren't all powerful. They were powerful for a amount of time, but they weren't for the whole thing. They didn't conquer everything. So then the Greece people, and then I think all of the Egypt and the other cultures and did you know that at that time Egypt was actually almost 3,000 years old, but until almost all of its cultures and stuff until Cyrus's son invaded Egypt. And that's a fun fact for you. And that's all for today. Bye bye.